Hi guys, I am in my car, obviously. I hope you can hear me. I'm wearing my headphones because I just got off the bus. I just got in my last class for the day. It is now 4:50. My class usually ends 5:15, but my teacher had to go somewhere, so we got out of class early. I have plans to go to Trader Joe's because my mama, who is the best, got me a Trader Joe's gift card for Valentine's Day, which, like, I haven't seen her since Valentine's Day, so I got it this past Monday, and today's St. Patrick's Day, hence the green shirt that I'm wearing. So it's been a while since I've seen her, but I finally got my little Valentine's Day present, which is actually a big Valentine's Day present. So we're gonna head to Trader Joe's. I've made a grocery list with, like, connected to recipes, which I don't ever usually do. Usually I'll just go buy some chicken and some other, like, things that I typically get and just kind of make things out of all of it and figure stuff out. Not this time. This time I made a concise but detailed list of ingredients, what kind of stuff the ingredients can make, like the recipe I'm gonna make from it, and it's all under $50. Everything that I found. So we're gonna go and see if my list actually works. I'll share my list in the description below. I made a Google Doc so you guys will be able to go and look at it. I got some of my ideas from other people's lists, but I kind of altered them a little bit for my price range and for, like, my taste specifically. So if you're interested, go check that out. It'll be in the description below, and that's just kind of gonna be a list of what I'm gonna be buying today. So let's drive to Trader Joe's. Let's go. Okay guys, we're here. I'm just getting out my purse so I can put my gift card in it. Don't know where it went, actually. Oh, there it is. All the way at the bottom. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Look what happened to my chocolate covered almonds in my car. It looks like a bag of poop.
I've been thinking, my emotions got me on the roller coaster. Took a lounge ride by the ocean, early morning, and I'm smoking. Cause you break right through my armor, ricochet back like instant karma. Hoping we can make this last longer than high notes in an opera. There's no telling where this might go. We've been running with our eyes closed. Easy loving, high hopes. Maybe we should drive slow. There's no telling where this might go. We've been running with our eyes closed. Easy loving, high hopes. Maybe we should drive slow. Maybe we should drive slow, drive slow. Drive slow, drive slow. Had a daydream that I saw ya on the beach in California. I was sleeping on your shoulder, then I woke up and I told ya. There's no telling where this might go. We've been running with our eyes closed. Easy loving, high hopes. Maybe we should drive slow. There's no telling where this might go. We've been running with our eyes closed. Easy loving, high hopes. Maybe we should drive slow. Maybe we should drive slow, drive slow.
Okay guys, so Trader Joe's haul is done. I was a little nervous because I got things, like, off of my list, just like little snacks and some drinks and stuff that I wanted to get. And then I saw these mango slices that I know my boyfriend likes, so I got those too. I was kind of worried that I was gonna go over the budget, because, you know, some things here and there are a little more than what I would want to pay for some things, but it's better quality. It is healthier food the way that it's sourced. They don't hold anything GMO in the whole store, and they refuse to sell anything that has anything like that in the store, so I feel better about getting products here. And usually they have a lot of cool options and a lot of more vegan, vegetarian, and different alternative options. So I didn't go over $50, which is great. We only spent $48 and I got a lot of stuff. That's probably one of my biggest grocery hauls I've done in a long time. And of course, you know, this is my favorite little drink. It's actually not a little drink. It's 300 calories in this one bottle. So it's almost like a meal replacement. I don't recommend doing that, but I'm really hungry because I have not eaten really at all today because of school. And I know that I'm going to go home and cook. It's going to take a while for all my stuff to be done. So I'm going to drink this on the way. It's a mango smoothie, but it's a little bit thicker than like a juice would be. It's called a juice smoothie. So it's a little thicker than a juice, but thinner than a smoothie. It's like right in the middle. It's got mango and then some other fruits in here. It says apple juice, orange juice, banana puree, lemon juice, and then some beta carotene powder, which I'm not sure what that is, but at least I can read it and look it up if I wanted to. But I really like these and they're so good. So I'm gonna drink this on my way home and we're gonna go and cook my first meal. Hi guys. Okay, so I made it home. Trader Joe bags are right over there. I'm just gonna unpack them and figure out what item I wanna make today. But I think I'm gonna do that in another video because this one's already getting kind of long. So if you wanna see what I end up making for tonight, and if you wanna check out my recipes that I'm going to be making, you can watch the next video that I will post on here, but I will also put that Google Doc in the description. I'm gonna also put like everything I bought and the pricing, so I'll probably just take a picture of the receipt and put it in there. That way you can see like what each item costs, and if you want to substitute something else, you can see if you'll still hit under that $50 budget. And like I said, some of the things I bought weren't for like the recipes of the meals that I'm making. They were just things that I wanted to get, like that juice, like the juice that I got. So do it with what is that phrase? Do with it what you will. That's how you say it. Do with it what you will. But I did spend under $50 and I should be able to make at least 4 different kinds of meals and probably like 3 to 4 servings of each meal. And yeah, so we'll see if that's true, but that's how I planned it out, you know? So we'll see. We shall see. But tune in for the next video to see what I make. Bye guys.